Hello, welcome all. Today in this video we'll learn how to give test or how to write test in the Google Classroom. Let us begin. So click on the classroom icon. It will give you a interface like this. Okay, now it is showing that class 12 trial A. Okay, just click on that one. Okay, and there is a assignment is given, that may be a test, that may be a classwork, or that may be a assignment. Okay, now that will be show here at the stream or in the classwork also. Okay, you can click on the classwork. Okay, there is a given demo test here. Okay, it is showing here. Okay, you have to be due is tomorrow. Now to now click on that one, the test. Okay, now you will see a interface like this. Now you go to your work. Okay, drag up, then you will get a test copy, document copy with your name. So my name is dummy name, created like Santosh Sahu. So now click on this Santosh demo test. Okay, now it will open a interface like this. You can see the questions given here. Okay, now what you will do, you just go to, you just click on this one. It will take to your drive. Okay, now go to there, click on there and go to, it will open your drive. Then you can click on the pencil button here to edit. Okay, now click on this one. Now you are able to edit, and whatever you write it will save there. Okay, you have to write here is given, fill the section with block letters. Now I'm taking as block. Now write the name Santosh Sahu here. I dot, then section A, then write the answers inside the box, and each question having 2 marks. So see here, there is box is there, then it is good, you write in the box. Box is not, then write here. Just click here, we'll get interface like this. The question is what, define force, and state is assignment. Force is what, uh, the rate of change of momentum is force. Oh, this is the definition. Now you try the SI unit. uh, SI unit is Newton, or or we can write, is symbol N. Okay, now question 1 is over. We can go down here. Okay, now this is a numerical based question, so how to answer it? Click on the box. Okay, if you don't want to write the answer uh, by typing, you can make a answer, you can write a answer in your copy and you can upload into this box. So how you can upload? Just after clicking in the box, you just click on, little drag here, you will get a plus sign. Now click on the plus sign. Now there is a image section is there, click on image. Now from camera. Okay, now it will show your camera. So now I have wrote the answers here. Now I will take a picture of the answer. Then I will send. Okay, now you can see here your answer is posted. Okay, now only 2 questions are there. We have completed 2 questions. Okay, the answer 1 we wrote here, the answer 2 we wrote in the box. We clicked a picture and send the answer up for 2. Okay, now what you will do, now just drag little down, it will show you a 3 dots on the top right. Now click on that. Okay, don't do that. Then after writing the answers, you just click on this tick button. Okay, right button. Okay, just which is on the in the left side, just click right. Okay, then your answer is saved. Okay, now your answer is saved. It will look like this. Okay, now you have to do nothing. You just close the button. Okay, you just close this one. Okay, Now go back. Okay, now what you will do, you just hand in, then the attachment submitted for demo test. So one attachment will be submitted which we wrote here now. Okay, now just click on hand in. Okay, now it will show you work submitted. Okay, then go back, stream. Okay, now it will show here that you are already handed in, the assignment is already handed in, the test the test whether that is a assignment, that is already handed in. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you all learn how to write the test in the Google Classroom.